Got this 24 by 36 frame right here. Gonna install this print into it, see how it looks. I love how these frames right here have these little hooks that just spin out. You don't gotta grab a knife or anything like that. It's super handy. A lot more simple that way. And that just lifts right out of there. Slide this back in. And let's lock a couple of these down just to make sure. Do a quick check before we lock the rest of them down. See how that's looking. That's pretty nice. Let's finish locking it down now. I like it. Looks pretty good.